was very scary.
So it started out as a normal travel day, running through all the security checks, making sure everything was put away, for a beautiful drive home, about 3 hours. Diana following me to a parking lot where we could hook the Jeep back up on the back of the rig and tow it home. As we headed out of the park, it was a beautiful day.
I wonder if he did it on purpose.
Well, that was scary. We were driving along and I don't even know. I'm such a bad witness. Some big truck.
Dump truck.
Dump truck. I would have said it was a cement mixer. Some dump truck started coming right into us, crossing the line, crossing the dotted line, running straight into us, and we had to go drive into the median. It was very scary.
Right here we're going to find out the value of having a dash cam in your rig. Clear road, beautiful day, light traffic, and I go to pass this dump truck and I'm doing about 62 miles an hour with the Jeep in tow. Watch this dump truck start to come into my lane, forcing me into the median. And while the camera doesn't show it, it was a very rough ride.
And no, it wasn't. It wasn't this truck. It was the dump truck behind us. And it's a good road. There's no reason for him to just pull right into us.
Texting.
And in the rearview mirror, I see the red truck that shoved us off the road. Oh my gosh. So we got home and we looked, and look what happened. This is what happened. That truck shoved us off the road and broke the back window. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's so scary.
Vacuum. Well, 24 hours ago, the rear windshield was shattered in the Jeep. Today, brand new one is here and they're installing it. We'll be back on the road soon. There we go. 24 hours later, brand new window install. Something doesn't look quite right about it though. Oh, it's missing something. Yeah, that's what's wrong. It needs its about time now sticker.
Yeah.
There we go. All better. I hope I don't have to do that again.